Hello and welcome to my channel, Simple Beauty Secrets. Well, today I'll be showing you some amazing beauty hacks. So if you have dark circles, have bad breath, or you want to get rid of a bad pimple, don't go anywhere. See some amazing beauty hacks. So let's start. But before that, please press the like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Dark circles. Hide your dark circles instantly by patting red lipstick on your dark circles. Apply concealer on top. And blend with the Beauty Blender. Blue in the dark circles will be neutralized with a red lipstick. You are good to go. Bad breath. Take some activated charcoal in a bowl and add hot water to it. Mix it and then dip your toothbrush into it. Brush your teeth with charcoal and rinse. Your bad breath will be gone in seconds. Perfect eyeshadow. Can't apply eyeshadow perfectly? Don't worry. Take a bottle lid and cover your eyelid with it. Apply shadow in the crease, following the edge of the bottle. Shadow in your crease, it applied perfectly. Now cover your lid with a lighter shade and you're good to go. Prevent eyelids from mascara. To prevent mascara from covering your entire eyelid, take a card and cover your eyelid with it. Then apply the mascara freely on your lashes. Get rid of a pimple. Nasty pimple from nowhere? Don't worry, take a garlic clove and rub it on your pimple. Go to sleep with it and wash your face in the morning. Your pimple will be gone. Prevent shadow fallout. Take a panty liner and cut it. Now you can freely apply any eyeshadow or glitter. Use its sticky side to cover your cheekbones and under eye with it. And then remove the panty liner. There you have the perfect eyes without mess. Want an unusual nail polish instantly? Or want a color that you don't have? Don't worry. Take a transparent nail polish. Find your favorite eyeshadow color and scrape it with a cuticle pusher. Add the scraped eyeshadow in the transparent nail polish, and your nail color is ready. Apply it to your nails, and you can get any nail color anytime. Make lipstick look perfect. Apply your favorite lipstick on your lips. Then apply some concealer around your lips and blend it with a brush. There you have the perfect lipstick and even contours. Tinted brow gel. Want an instant tinted brow gel? Take some aloe vera gel and scrape some brown shadow in it. Mix it and dip a mascara brush into it. Apply it on your brows and get tinted eyebrows instantly. Matching lipstick and eyeliner. Take an eyeliner brush and dip it in your lipstick. Apply it to your upper lash line. Apply the same lipstick to your lips. There you have matching eyeliner and lipstick. Run out foundation. Are you getting ready and you find out that your foundation bottle is empty? Don't worry, add some face cream or lotion to the foundation bottle and shake it. Now you can apply your foundation and you're ready to go. Can't find your eyeliner? If you have run out of your eyeliner or can't find one, don't worry. Get your coloring pencils and pick the one you want for your eyeliner. Dip it in warm water for 1 to 2 minutes and then apply it to your lash line. Baggy eyes or dark circles? Take a cotton pad and cut it in half. Apply some aloe vera gel on one side of each pad. Pop it in the freezer to freeze. Whenever you have swelling under the eyes or dark circles, apply the aloe vera pads to your eyes for 10 minutes. Dark circles and swelling will be gone. Instant makeup remover. If you find out your makeup remover has run out, don't worry. Take some coconut oil or olive oil and dip a cotton pad in it. Remove your makeup with it. There you have a hydrating and natural makeup remover. Please press the like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get the latest videos.